What's up guys, and welcome back to Epic Streaming. So guys, have you ever watched a movie or streamed a movie and thought that the copy or the picture does not complement your UHD or Full HD TV? Well guys, I've got a great new add-on that works flawlessly with 1080 Blu-ray streams. Yes guys, Blu-ray streams. So guys, before we go down to actually installing this and me showing you how it actually works, I will need you guys, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and leave comments down below. Guys, the comments make a difference to a channel. So please support me. I don't take donations, just need the support of that subscription tab. So thanks guys, and thanks again for watching. So let's get down to it. So this APK, or should I say add-on, is by Gears TV. Guys, it's also available in an APK, so you can download it to an Android box or Fire Stick without Kodi and actually use it there. Right? So before we go into it, I'm just going to show you how to actually install this unit. So we're going to go to settings, you're going to go to file manager, and you're going to go to add source. So I've already added the source, so I'm not going to click on none. I'm going to click cancel and actually show you this add-on. So we're gonna click on repo here, edit source, and there you have it guys. You can pause the video here, take down the source, but I will leave it in the description down below. So you give it a name and you click OK. So once that's done, you're gonna exit the screen and go right down to the main menu. Once you're there, you're gonna click on add-ons. You're gonna click on the box in the top left corner, and then you're going to install from zip file. So you're going to click on repo, or whichever name you gave the repository, and you're going to click on the second one, repository Gears TV. So you're going to click on that and actually wait for the pop-up on the top right corner telling you that it's actually installed. So guys, whenever using Kodi or any sort of third-party add-ons, always use a VPN. I will leave that in the description down below. So we're going to go, after you have the file installed, you're going to click on install from repository, and you're going to click on the Gears TV repository. Then you're going to click on video add-ons, and the second one, streams are us. So where mine says uninstall, yours is going to say install. Once that is done, you're going to click open. On the first initial open, it's going to ask you for the username and password. Guys, due to you guys actually watching this, I'm gonna actually tell you that I'm leaving the username and password in the description down below. So guys, use it while it's free and enjoy this Blu-ray type of quality for the whole family to enjoy. So once you open this add-on and APK, it actually gives you movies, and coming soon will be TV shows. So guys, no TV shows, just movies and entertainment. So you're going to click on movies, and it gives us 7 tabs. So you got all movies, top 5 movies of the week, genres, movie randomizer, years, and latest movies. Guys, I'm not going to go into all these folders. Let's just go into all movies, and we actually get a list popping up. Just give it a second or so. Guys, when you actually use this as an APK, it gives you more of a visual, so you get Blu-ray covers actually popping up on your screen, and you can actually see the titles very clearly. Right guys, so we have the list loaded, so I'm just going to give you a full rundown. Will actually show you what type of quality you can expect from this movie add-on. So let's try one of these movies guys. Let's try one of the greats. So 2012, one of the best movies out there ever hit the cinemas or the circuit. Guys, great quality. Remember, when I actually demonstrate this video, you're not going to actually see the true quality of it as I'm just recording. Please try this add-on out just for yourself and you'll actually see it. So guys, let's click on 2012. I'm gonna start from beginning. I was watching this movie guys, so hope you all enjoy it as well. So when you open it up, it comes with play 2012, show trailer, show information, and autoplay. So I'm just going to click on play 2012. So guys, it will have a pre-buffer section, so it'll pre-buffer just before it starts up, so the movie does not buffer, right? So this is your pre-buffer. So just give it a few seconds to actually pre-buffer. And there we have it, guys, all up and running. So I'm going to pause it or stop it right here. Guys, the quality is magnificent. So all the movies start up. Depending on which server the movie is actually placed on, you might get a faster response time, a faster startup. So guys, I know I said this in the beginning. Remember, this add-on uses and the APK requires password and username. I will leave that in the description down below. And if you like my current work, please leave your comments down below and hit that subscription tab to help support my channel. Guys, I hope this was very informative and this tutorial helps you guys out. So stay tuned for next week's or next video upload, guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.